Thank you. I now call on the Institute for Human Rights.
Madam Chair, distinguished delegates, on behalf of the Institute for Human Rights, I would like to draw attention to the troubling situation of minority rights defenders in Azerbaijan, specifically the unjust detention and repression of researchers and scientists who contribute profoundly in the field of education. Firstly, we highlight the case of Iqbal Abilov, a Talish researcher and minority rights advocate. Abilov has worked tirelessly to raise awareness about the Talish minority, a historically marginalized group whose detention under politically motivated charges reflect a broader pattern of silencing ethnic minority voices in Azerbaijan. His detention is not only an attack on his personal freedom, but also on the right of the Talish people to freedom of expression, cultural preservation, and the right to work in academics. Equally concerning is the case of Bahruz Samedov, a young academic and activist who has called for peace with Armenia and respect for the rights of ethnic Armenians. Samedov has faced persecution for advocating for dialogue, tolerance, and the protection of minority rights in a region scarred by decades of ethnic violence. Both of these cases reflect a troubling trend of targeting minority voices and human rights defenders. We call on this forum to urge the Azerbaijani government to release Abilov and Samedov immediately and unconditionally, reinforce the need for the protection of freedom of expression for all, particularly ethnic minorities and peace advocates. And finally, we encourage the Azerbaijani authorities to respect international standards on minority rights and foster an environment where dialogue and reconciliation are encouraged rather than punished. The international community must act to protect those who stand up for the rights of minorities and peace, as their voices are crucial in building a just society as well as greatly strengthening the academic field. I thank you.